Kama benya kono mgajonga teri nyaka kadhwa na mchumbi kama bero mariango Ringre jomano itongimagi e bunge ma Shakahola na odhi nyime kawuono kama Ringre ji 28 ne otimnegi bero. Kalore kod jabero mar piny owacho Johansen Oduor sane gitimo bero ne Ringre ji 96 manoyudi e tielo mar adek mar manyo jomano itongimagi kalore kod puonja mag din mag Paul Mackenzie. Dwoko mar bero makawuono oyango jomadongo 7 nyithinda 12 ka ji 3 to ne okoyangi. Dwoko mar bero no bende oyango ni ji 14 ne otho kalore kod rem chiemo kuom kinde malach kama moko 8 to okoyangore gima nokelo tho margi. Nyaka gie sani osetim bero ne Ringre ji 87 ka Ringre ji 9 modong ibiro timnegi bero tich ariyo magitimore kinde matielo mar 4 mar manyo Ringre ji Shakahola igeno ni biro chakore machiegni ne.
Bodies had been exhumed, but now, as for my calculation today, they are 96. Why are they 96? Because as we were doing postmortem, we found that 2 bodies had been wrapped in the same sheet, so this made them 95. Then 1 person died in prison, so that's what made them now a total of 96. And we've performed a total of 22 autopsies. Of these 22 autopsies, by age, 7 of them were male, while 7 of them were adults, while 12 were children, and 2 we are unable to establish the age. As per gender, we found that females made a total of 22, while males were 8, and 2 of them we were unable to establish the gender due to the decomposition. Most of them were starvation, because we found that 14 of them were starvation, while 8 were unascertained because of the decomposition also. Finally, as per level of deterioration, all of them, 22, were severely decomposed. So they were very decomposed, I think, because of the duration of time which have taken by the time they died up to today. So far we've performed a total of 87 postmortem in this phase. We are remaining with 9 postmortems, which we are going to complete tomorrow.
Report no